What's up, guys? It's Lee here, the rental guy. And guess what? I got my brand new cart here. I wanted to test it out to see if it was a good cart, and I think it's going to be great. It fits easily through a doorway. I can fit stage on it. I can fit a small amount of tables, so this can be a nice go-kart when I need to take things that are awkward to places. Okay, so got some 6-foot tables here. Even just moving them from one end of the shop to the other to get them ready for clients. I could fit 4 on here, which is all right. So, or there's 2, flip it around, 3, and look at that, pushes off easily. There's brakes at the bottom. See there's a little lip right there that most carts get caught on. This one just rolls right over. It's like rollerblade wheels. And there's a little bit of a lip there that most carts get caught on. So I get this cart from Vevor. So if you haven't visited Vevor before, they do awesome like stuff from China, but it seems to be decent quality stuff for a cheap price. And for me, it's free shipping. I don't know, check where you're at and see if it's free shipping for you as well. This cart is a win. $200 cart from Vevor. Don't mind if I do. And that middle bar, which you can remove. Nothing makes me more mad that when you take 2 tables out that the other 2 go slamming down. Well, when you've got these, it doesn't happen anymore, so that's pretty cool. So moving stage has been pretty annoying for me, so I've got this road case for stage legs, and that still gives me the problem of moving stage. I hadn't quite figured it out until I had this bad boy, so let's unload it from the tables and load it up with some stage. So it's a tad bit awkward for 3 stage panels, but I think if I use different hardware, that it won't be a problem anymore. So as you can see in the middle there, just right here, there's I don't know, like a screw that fastens it in. But if I put hand mounting hardware in there, then I could just wing nut it off and then pull this thing out if I wanted it out, so that I could stack chairs up on it or whatever I wanted to. I was also a little bit worried that these weren't going to be heavy duty. But these are pretty heavy duty. These are a little bit lighter, but you know, all the power goes right there. So you won't have any problems with things weighing it over and bending the metal. So it's also got these felt pads, so you're not scratching things here. So those are nice. So yeah, this $200 cart from Vevor, I'd say it's a win. Moving stage around, it's not going to wreck a floor. I could probably fit 6 actually on this. So that's it. That's my little new go-kart, to-go kart. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped on it. I'll make a video the day it breaks, if it breaks, but I think it's pretty sturdy.